Today I'm going to teach you how to install GitHub Desktop on Windows 10 or 11. This is a fantastic tool that makes managing your code repositories much easier with a visual interface, eliminating the need to use command line for basic Git operations. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you prefer using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the GitHub Desktop download page by typing desktop.github.com/download into the address bar and hitting enter. This will take you directly to the official download page for GitHub Desktop. When the page loads, you'll see a prominent button that says download for Windows 64-bit. This is the version compatible with most modern Windows systems, including Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go ahead and click on this button to start downloading the installer. The file will begin downloading automatically to your default downloads folder, and you should see a progress indicator at the bottom of your browser showing how much of the file has been downloaded. Once the download is complete, you'll need to locate the installer file. To do this quickly, look at the upper right panel of your browser where you'll typically find your downloads icon or list. Click on it to see your recent downloads, and from there, click on Show in Folder. This action will open your File Explorer and take you directly to the location where the GitHub Desktop installer was saved, usually your Downloads folder. Now that you've located the installer file, it's time to run it. The file should be called something like GitHub Desktop Setup-64-bit or similar. Click on this installer setup file to proceed with the installation. You may see a user account control prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to grant permission. The installer will now launch and begin setting up GitHub Desktop on your computer. This process is fairly quick and usually handles everything automatically. The installer will extract the necessary files, configure the application, and create shortcuts for you. Within a few moments, GitHub Desktop should launch automatically once the installation is complete. And there you have it, GitHub Desktop is now successfully installed on your Windows system and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.